Angels play a pivotal role in Islam, serving as Allah's messengers and protectors of the believers. From the revelations sent to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by Angel Jibreel, to the angels that surround and protect us daily, their presence is constant but often unseen. Many Muslims believe that angels can visit individuals, sometimes in subtle, almost imperceptible ways, as signs of divine protection and guidance. But how can you tell if angels have been visiting you? While angels are part of the unseen world, Ghaib, there are signs that may indicate their presence. In this article, we will explore 7 signs that suggest angels may have been visiting you according to Islamic teachings. Hushed, peaceful moments. During worship. Hushed, peaceful moments during worship hold a special significance in Islam. These moments, often experienced during prayer, salah, or dhikr, remembrance of Allah, bring a deep sense of tranquility that touches the soul. One of the signs that angels may be visiting is the overwhelming feeling of calm and serenity that surrounds you. It's as though the world fades away and all distractions vanish, leaving only you and your connection with Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned that angels are present where Allah is remembered, filling the hearts of believers with peace. When you experience this stillness, it could be a sign that angels are near, observing and recording your acts of devotion. This profound calm serves as a reminder of Allah's mercy and the blessings that come with sincere worship. In these hushed moments, we are reminded of the vastness of Allah's love and the importance of deep reflection. The peace that settles in your heart is a gift, a sign that your worship is heard and perhaps even witnessed by the angels. Seek these moments, for they nurture the soul and strengthen your connection to the divine. 2. A sudden feeling of warmth or comfort. A sudden feeling of warmth or comfort during moments of distress, particularly when making dua, supplication, can be a powerful and uplifting experience. Many believers report that, in times of stress or uncertainty, they feel an unexplained sense of peace, as though they are being enveloped in a comforting presence. This warmth may be more than just a physical sensation. It could be a sign of angelic presence, offering divine protection and support. In Islamic tradition, it is believed that angels are sent by Allah to protect, guide, and comfort believers. When we turn to Allah in prayer or supplication, especially in moments of difficulty, angels may descend to bring solace. The feeling of warmth during these times is often interpreted as a response to our faith and trust in Allah's mercy, as His angels offer comfort and ease. This sense of divine comfort reminds us that we are never alone, even in our most challenging moments. The warmth we feel is a reassurance of Allah's presence, and a reminder that through our faith and prayers we can always find peace and protection, no matter the trials we face. Seeing light or unexplainable brightness. Seeing light or unexplainable brightness during moments of worship can be a deeply spiritual experience. For many believers, this radiant sensation, which appears without any apparent source, is often seen as a sign of angelic visitation. Since angels in Islamic tradition are created from light, such a phenomenon may be a subtle physical manifestation of their presence. This light could appear during or after intense prayer or dhikr, remembrance of Allah, and it serves as a reminder of the divine world surrounding us. These occurrences, though rare, are a beautiful sign of spiritual connection. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught that angels gather where Allah is remembered, surrounding believers with peace and blessings. If you witness a sudden brightness during your prayer, it could be a sign that angels are near, witnessing your devotion to Allah. This experience can fill your heart with tranquility, affirming that your worship is being heard and responded to. Such moments remind us of the unseen beauty in the spiritual realm and the closeness of divine protection. Experiencing this light is a gift, a sign that our faith connects us to the unseen world of angels, offering reassurance and comfort from Allah's mercy. For feeling a strong sense of protection and calmness. Feeling a strong sense of protection and calmness especially in moments of difficulty, is a profound experience that many believers attribute to the presence of angels. In situations that would typically cause anxiety or fear, you may suddenly feel an overwhelming sense of peace, as though an invisible force is watching over you. This unshakable calmness may be a sign that angels are near, providing divine protection. Islamic tradition teaches that angels are sent by Allah to safeguard believers, especially when they turn to Him in prayer or moments of distress. When you feel this profound peace, even in challenging times, it's believed that angels are fulfilling their role as protectors, offering a shield from harm that goes beyond the physical. This feeling of being looked after is a reminder of Allah's mercy and the unseen protection that surrounds those who trust in Him. It's a sign that no matter the trials or hardships, you are never truly alone. The calmness that settles in your heart serves as divine reassurance, a powerful reminder that with faith comes protection, and with patience comes peace. This spiritual support from angels helps you navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. 5. Unexplained sudden insights or clarity. Unexplained sudden insights or moments of clarity, especially when facing a difficult decision or complex problem, can feel like a divine gift. In Islamic tradition, these flashes of understanding are sometimes interpreted as a subtle sign that angels are offering guidance. When you're struggling with a choice or seeking answers in times of confusion, this clarity could be a response to your prayers, indicating that an angel is helping to guide your thoughts. Muslims believe that angels are sent by Allah to guide, protect, and assist believers, especially when they seek divine intervention through prayer or supplication. If you've ever experienced a moment where everything suddenly makes sense, when a solution becomes clear without explanation, it may be that an angel has been sent to help bring that understanding. These insights remind us of the spiritual connection we have with the unseen world, where Allah's angels work to support those who seek guidance with a sincere heart. When faced with uncertainty, this sudden clarity is a sign of divine mercy, showing us that help can arrive in the most unexpected ways, helping us make decisions with wisdom and confidence in Allah's plan. 6. Dreams. Involving angels or heavenly imagery. Dreams have a significant role in Islam, often seen as a means through which Allah communicates with believers. Some Muslims believe that angels can appear in dreams to convey important messages or offer reassurance. If you've ever experienced a dream where you see angels or other heavenly imagery, it may be an indication that angels have been visiting you, offering divine insight or guidance. Angelic dreams are often marked by a sense of peace and clarity, leaving a profound impression upon waking. In these moments, it's believed that angels may be delivering a message from Allah, perhaps offering comfort in times of difficulty or helping guide you through life's challenges. The Quran and Hadith reference the importance of dreams, and believers are encouraged to reflect on them, especially when they seem spiritually significant. These dreams are reminders of the closeness of the spiritual realm, where Allah's angels play a vital role in protecting and guiding believers. If you experience such dreams, take comfort in knowing that you are being watched over, and reflect on the potential meanings behind the imagery. This could be Allah's way of offering you insight, support, or reassurance through the angels He has sent. 7. Finding feathers or other symbols of purity. Finding feathers or other symbols of purity during moments of deep prayer or spiritual reflection can feel like a gentle reminder of the unseen world. While Islam does not specifically associate feathers with angels, in many cultures they are seen as symbols of purity, protection, and the divine. Some believers interpret the appearance of unexplained feathers as a sign of angelic presence, particularly during times of heightened spiritual connection. Feathers may serve as subtle reminders of Allah's protection and the angels that guide and watch over us. When you encounter such symbols during moments of reflection or after making dua, supplication, it can feel like a quiet acknowledgement of your prayers and devotion. These small, unexplained occurrences remind us that even though we cannot see angels, their presence may still be felt in various ways. Though feathers are not explicitly mentioned in Islamic tradition as angelic signs, They can serve as personal reminders of the purity and spiritual guidance surrounding us. When you find such symbols, take a moment to reflect on the unseen support and protection provided by Allah, and remember that your faith connects you to a greater spiritual realm beyond the physical world. One of the most effective ways to strengthen your connection with angels in Islam is through regular prayer, salah, and engaging in acts of worship like dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Angels are naturally drawn to the remembrance of Allah, and it is believed they often surround those who are engaged in sincere worship. When you dedicate time to prayer, dhikr, and spiritual reflection, you create an environment where angels may gather, offering peace and blessings.